Hello students, how are you all? So I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin up with the most important lesson and the most important thing that is very precious for us, without which we cannot live even a day. We need it in every hour or in 2 hours. We should drink it in so much liters in a day that it keeps our body hydrated and energetic. So what it is? Yes, it is the water. So here in this lesson we are going to study about the precious water. So let's move in this lesson. In this lesson, first we are going to study about water, a precious liquid. What is a water? Then what are the uses of water? And from where do we get water? What are the sources of water? How to store water, storage of water, clean drinking water. Then we are going to talk about ways to save water. And in the last, we are going to study about preventing water pollution. How can we prevent water pollution? So let's explore this chapter with me. Here is a little conversation. Brother, look at that person. He's wasting so much water in washing his car. Then brother says, yes, he should not waste water and he should use a bucket instead of hose. Water is very precious. We should not waste it. So the girl says, you are right. By using a bucket, he can avoid the wastage of water. We should not waste water while washing our cars, scooters, bicycles, or anything. We should use buckets to wash them. So let's move further. So water, a precious liquid. What is the water? So we know that our Earth is known as a blue planet because of a major part of our Earth is covered with water. As we all know, our Earth is also known as the blue planet. Why? Because our Earth is covered with water. It has so much of water, but all water is not fit for drinking. That is the ocean water. It contains salt. If more than three-fourths of the Earth if more than three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with water, why do we have scarcity of drinking water? Can you please tell me why do we have scarcity of drinking water if we have so much of water on our Earth? The reason is that the most of the water is found in the oceans and seas and is unfit for human consumption. Sea water, ocean water is unfit for human consumption because it contains salt that is not fit for drinking and many things. Now let's talk about the uses of water. We use water in drinking, for cooking, for eating, for bathing, for washing, and for many purposes. So here, what is very useful for us? We all need water for various purposes. Besides human beings, all other living things also need water for their survival. Not only human beings need water for their survival, but other living things also need water for their survival like humans. Plants need water to prepare their food. Yes, plants also need water to prepare their food to grow. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Yes, animals also need water for drinking and bathing. Human beings need water for various purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, etc. And for watering the plants also. Like in this picture, you can see the lady is washing clothes, the gardener is gardening, the gardener is watering the plants, the mother is cooking, the boy is drinking water, and the boy is bathing in this picture. So we need water for various purposes in our day-to-day lives. Now let's study the sources of water. From where do we get water? There are several sources of water. The main source of water on earth is rain. Yes, so rain, we get so much of water. We should not waste it. We should save that water. It is the rainwater which fills puddles, ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, and seas. Like in this picture, you can see this is a river which is filled with rain. lakes, seas, and ponds. They are filled with rain. Some amount of rainwater percolates into the ground. Yes, some amount of rainwater is absorbed by the soil into the ground. It is called groundwater. It fills up the wells. Groundwater fills up your wells. Hand pumps and tube wells are also used to draw out groundwater. Yes, we use hand pumps, we use tube wells to take out groundwater. Now let's move further. Now let's study the storage of water. How can we store water? So water is very precious. Therefore, we should store it for later use. Yes, we should store it for later use. Water can be stored in various types of containers. First, drinking water can be stored in jugs, bottles, earthen pots. Like your mother stores water in earthen pots, bottles, and jugs. That is the drinking water. It may also be used for cooking. Yes, we can use this water for cooking. This the steel jug glass bottle, plastic bottles, right? And matka that is used for storing the drinking or cooking water. Now let's move further. Here, clean drinking water. So we should drink clean water. That is very good for our health. So we should always drink clean water to keep ourselves healthy. Clean drinking water is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. We can clean water by boiling and filtering. Yes, we can clean the water by boiling, by filtering. It makes water germ-free. Always store drinking water in closed container. Yes, we should store the drinking water in the closed containers. Like we should drink the filtered water by boiling or by storing. So let's move further. Now, how can we save water as it is precious for us? So, we should not waste water in any way. We can save water in following ways. There are multiple ways to save water. The very first way is always close the taps from using them. So, close the taps after using them. Immediately get the leaking taps repaired. If the tap in your house or anywhere is leaking, you should immediately repair them. Avoid wasting water while you brush your bath or take a bath. While brushing, close the tap. You should not use the running tap. You should close it. While bathing, you should also close the water taps. Use bucket to bath instead of tap or shower. Yes, you should use bucket to bath. Shower and taps waste so much of water. Always try to reuse water. For example, like the water used for washing food and vegetable can be used to water plants. Yes, we should see. Always try to save water like by reusing it. If the water we have used for washing our vegetables or fruits, we can use it for giving to our plants. So now let's move further. Here, let's check your knowledge, what you have learned till here. The very first question, that is, water is known as gold, life, or fire. So let's answer me the question answer. Water is known as our life. Now here's the second question. That is, which of these is a way to save water? Keep tap open while brushing, waste water in play, close tap when not in use. Tell me the correct option. Yes, close taps when not in use. Like this, we can save water. So, in this lesson, we have studied about the preciousness of water. Water is so much precious for us. We could not live without it. So, we should save it in many ways. So, let's save the water for our future generation. So, that's all. See you in the next class.